Hey guys, we just got our hands on the Oraimo Watch Nova R, and trust me, you are going to want to see this. We picked this unit up from the Oraimo store for just 41,200 naira. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, I'll leave a link in the video description. Also use the discount code shown on the screen to get yourself an exclusive 5% discount from the Oraimo store. So let's get started, guys. The box is similar to the previous Oraimo Watch 5 I unboxed few days ago. At the front here, you'll see the usual Oraimo logo. Down right here is Go Beyond Time, and at the left is Watch Nova R. Then there's a quick spec by the side. You have 1.39 HD color screen, 100 plus sports mode, IP68 waterproof rating, and also 24-hour health monitoring. We have the Oraimo logo at the top. Then at the side, you will see the full specification. Flipping to the back, we have the usual authentication center, QR code, and also a barcode. Alright, let's jump right in. The box is sleek as you'd expect from Oraimo. Once you pop it open, you'll see the welcome guide. So I just need to bring this out first. Alright. Nothing new here. We have the welcome guide, discover endless possibilities and keep exploring. Let's see. Okay, open back to this. So let's see the user manual. Let's be honest, most of us will never read. It helps in terms of troubleshooting and understanding how the watch operates. So this is the user manual. You can see everything you need to know about the watch, how to scan, how to bind the watch to your phone, how to troubleshoot it too. Okay, so we just have to keep this here. We'll come back. This is the Nova R. I will come back to this. Okay. As usual, I'm not expecting anything to be here. So we just have to check the other side. We have the charger here. So this is the charger. We have the 2-pin magnetic charger right here. I also love the fact it is lengthy. So we just have to keep this. Let's go back to the gorgeous Nova R, looking all shiny and fresh. Okay, first of all, let's remove the strap to get a better view. This thing looks premium. It's got a 1.39 round panda glass display with a 360x360 resolution, which ought to be super bright and vibrant. And check out that sleek metallic frame. Okay, it feels sturdy but not heavy at all, so it's comfortable on the wrist. The metallic frame comes out shiny, giving it a premium vibe. And right here, there is nothing new at the back. The strap doesn't feel cheap as well. So I'm going to turn it on right here. Just hold it for a few seconds. Okay. Alright here, hello, nice to meet you. It's just the usual startup guide. Make sure you charge it before using it for the first time. Okay, this is just information about the device or the smartwatch. I'll switch it off to test the charger. I have to shut down. Okay. This is a different charging animation from the one we saw with the Watch 5. Like I said before, make sure you charge it full before using it for the first time. It's very important. So right now, the next step is to connect the watch to my phone. To select English, scan to download the Oraimo Health app. So I'm just going to scan. Okay. Make sure you download the Oraimo Health app to connect the smartwatch to your phone. Okay, we have exercise. We have different exercise options here. So I'll go back. More exercise. We have football. A lot here. A lot of exercise options here. So you just have to test other ones. You have to check other ones. Blood oxygen, respiratory rate, pressure, sleep, breath exercise, stopwatch, timer, music. You can pause, play, and increase and decrease your volume. And right here you have world, clock, weather. Okay, that's nice. You also have find and set, remote camera, which is the usual shake or click to snap. Alright, so you have flashlight, and you have this setting. You have app view, power saving, display and brightness. You have raise to wake. You have system menu. That's nice. Nothing new here, just the usual setup here. And let's click on watch face. What you have, nice. So this is look good. Alright, it has 3 different watch face, but you can apply custom watch face according to Oraimo, which I'm going to test during my full review. I will give an update regarding that. That's the unboxing and first impression of the Oraimo Watch Nova R. I'll take my time and use this watch to give a real detailed review about it, for us to know if it's worth the price. The Oraimo Watch Nova R is currently priced at 41,200 Naira at the Oraimo store. If you are picking this up, you can support this channel by using our coupon code to get 5% discount via the Oraimo store at no extra cost to you. The code is also available in the video description. Make sure you are buying from the official Oraimo store to get an authentic product. Also make sure you like, subscribe and comment to stay updated with our latest reviews. It's Mr. Roy here once again. This is All Round Review. See you next time. Stay safe.